Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2024 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you how to take off the grille. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood and see what we're working with. So these pins are a little bit different. We're going to press into it, it pops off, and we just pry it from underneath. To summarize, the only ones we're taking off are the ones that are holding the grille. So you have the edges, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. There's 2 here. Just press on them and pry them. So that's 6 clips. Now there's 2 10mm bolts that we're going to remove. That's one, and the second one's here. So that should free up everything on top of the grille. So this is the electronics. I'm going to go ahead and go under and then pull it out. There's another bolt that we have to remove from the grille part, so we're going to have to take this whole intake off. So there's 2 more pins. 1, 2. So now with those removed, we can just take this out. This is the bolt that I was looking for. So now this is the third 10mm bolt that's holding the front. Now this is the wiring harness that I was trying to remove. So we're going to go ahead and see these colors. I just want to make sure that when we connect everything back up, that it goes the same way. They're different harnesses, so you're not going to get it wrong. They're different, so they can only plug in one way. So this is done. Now there's a small one in here as well. Just squeeze it and press it out. Yeah, there's a third one in here. Not every car is going to have 3. So here we do have 3 harnesses, and I'm going to disconnect all 3 of them. Now we can see that the whole front of the grille is loose. Now let's go into the fender well. So now we're going to go ahead and take out these 2 10mm and pop these 2 pins out. So this is the first one. 2. And then those pins. Okay, so you just turn it horizontal and then it should come out. So with this one, if it's horizontal, it's unlocked, and then we can just peel the carpet out. So now we have to remove the fenders, and if you tug on it, it just pops open. It just clips. So when you pop open the fender trim, there's 1 Phillips screw that you have to remove. I'm going to take out this 1 Phillips screw, and that should loosen the whole side. Now we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. Just like the driver, take out the 2 10mm bolts. In terms of the clips, put a screwdriver in here and just make it vertical, horizontal I mean, 2. So now I'm going to take off this fender flare. I'm just going to kind of tug on it and it's going to unclip. See, 1, 2, 3. And this is the bolt that I'm trying to get. So now that we got both of the sides, let's go ahead and try to unbutton the bottom. I think there's a couple of more screws there. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take out all the 10mm from underneath. So on the sides we have 2. Those are the black bolts, and it loosens the carpet. There's 1 that's hiding here on the side. Okay, so we have 3 on the side. We have 2 in the middle. That's 2. And then we have 2 here, and 1 is hidden underneath. 3. So there's a total of 8 bolts from underneath. And now, if we tug on it, everything should be fairly loose. Now that we have the top, bottom, and the sides unclipped and unbolted, we can pry on the side to try to take off the front end. Yeah, there you go. So there's just clips here. So when you pull on this side, let's do the same thing on the passenger, and the whole front end should remove. So I'm grabbing on the side and I'm pushing it towards me to unclip this edge. Okay, so once we got it all unclipped, let's try to take it off. And this is how you remove the front bumper from a 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something.